Hello dear friends, and welcome back once again to another video. Today we are going to draw a logo, and let's draw Fila or Fila, whatever you pronounce it in your part of the country. Fila, the Italian sporting company. Okay, so for that we are going to draw two parallel lines horizontally. One line, and I think this will do. So we have drawn two lines, and I am going to draw the letters directly without using a pencil. So if you want to do it with the pencil first, you can do it that way. Okay, I'm not using a scale also drawing. I'm just going to draw it freehand. Okay, and I'm going to color it as well. Right, so that is the only red part of the picture. All the other lines and letters are in blue. So that is F. We're going to complete F now. If you want to use pencil, you can use pencils to draw straight line, but I'm doing it freehand. Vertical lines are a bit tough to draw using the hands alone, because you cannot draw a perfect vertical line. That was I, and now for the L. Okay. Again, a vertical line. When you have to draw a vertical line freehand and you want it to be straight, so what you do is just press it a bit more harder, apply more pressure, and then draw the line. It will be more or less straight. Diagonal lines are not very easy to draw without a scale. Okay, now let's fill it with blue. Okay, so the logo is done. Didn't take much of a time. Now we got to erase all the pencil lines. Make sure that the ink has dried up well, otherwise it's going to peel your paper out. So be careful while erasing after drawing it with ink. Okay, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thanks for watching. Please do comment. I'll come up with another video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you.